Welcome back, everyone. It is time to review for math. Yesterday, we worked on reviewing things from Unit 9, pretty much everything we learned. We went over the vocabulary, and in our Zoom meeting yesterday, we practiced quite a few problems, expanded form, and writing the standard form, so that was great. And we're going to be doing that again today with the review. So let's take a look here. Number 4, write the number in standard form, expanded form, and word form. Wow, they're asking for a lot there. So here we go. The first thing you need to do is write the standard form. All you have to do is count. Count the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count the ones. 1. Our number is 641. Now we're going to put it in expanded form. You're getting very good at expanded form. 600 plus the tens is in the middle, plus 40 plus 1. Now for the word form, I need a text box. Oh, come on. I need the text box down here. Let's see, I'll try it again. The text box down to the bottom. I'm sure there's probably some simple way that I can do this. Well, guess what? I'm just going to write it up here. 641. There you go. All right. Now can I move it? Yay, I can move it. There we go. All righty. Whoops. Look at the models in the chart. We're looking at number 5. Show 3 different ways to make the number. All right, so they're asking you to do it expanded form, that plus signs are already provided. The first way you should do it is the original, I call it the original way, the way you would, if somebody gave you a standard number and said put it in expanded form, this is what you would do. 100 plus, how many tens? 5, so don't forget to add the 0. 50 plus 3. All right, now we have to show another way. So here's what we can do. We can take this 100 and put it over here. So we would have 100 and 5 tens makes what? 150 plus 3. So I did the bottom one. All right, we have to come up with another way. Whoops. So I was going to erase that line I drew. All right, so now we have to do it with 3 different numbers. So here's what we'll do. We have to use every single part because they're asking for 3. See the 3 lines? So we're going to have to move. We can just take a 10, all right? So watch this. This 10 is not there anymore. It's now here, okay? So we are going to write 100. Now let's look at the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, because remember that black one is not there. Plus 40, plus we have 10 and 3 more. 10, 11, 12, 13. And there you have it. So it takes a little bit of time to solve these problems, but you just have to think of different ways. All right, these are a lot of fun, figuring out the patterns. All right, use place value patterns to find the missing numbers. So remember, there's a bunch of different ways to do it. I remember telling you guys the best way is to fill out the top row first. So starting all the way at the left is 574, 575, 576, 577, 578, 579. And now we can just skip count by tens. 574, 584, 594. Notice how the tens changed, the hundreds and ones stayed the same. 575, 585, 595. The middle row is all done for us. Isn't that nice? 577, 587, 597, 578, 588, 598, 579, 589, 599. Now, you don't have to do it that way. So on this bottom one, let's just do it across. Let's just say that, you're having trouble with skip counting by tens. That's okay. We can try and do it a different way. So it's tricky. The first number is missing. So we have to think. The second number is 222. So the hundreds are going to stay the same, right? And we're going by ones. So we have a 2. See that 2 there? In the ones place. So we have to think, what comes before the number 2? That's right, 1. So we would just write 221. Now we just count 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226. And here we have 232. You have to think what comes before. So again, just look at the ones, and it's a 2. What comes before 2? 1, 231, 232, 233, 241, 242, 243. Oh, that's sloppy. 244, 245. And there you have it. All right, and now this is pretty much the same thing. It's just that it's on a number line. So the first thing we have to do is look and figure out what the pattern is. So this chapter, it was fives, tens, and hundreds. So you have to just figure out which one it is. 95, 100, blank, 110, blank, blank, 125, blank. So you have to figure out what the pattern is. I'm not going to tell you because this one is going to be the one that you're going to do on your own, okay? You don't have to draw the number line if you don't want to. So if you're doing this on paper, go ahead and pause the video and write it down. And if you're going to do it in Portfolio, stick around because that's where I'm going to go next. And if you are copying this down, I hope to see you in Zoom today at 12:30 so we can go over more with the math and also get to see each other again. All right, let's head on over to Class Dojo. Logging in as student again. Hit Portfolio, and it's right there, Wednesday, April 29th, math. So you'll click on it, and I wrote it up. The one I wrote is a little different than the one from the book, but it's the same concept. So you're just going to write the two missing numbers, 100, 105, 110, blank, blank, 125. Nice and simple. Complete the pattern, and I'll see you later on Zoom. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.